Most people will never tell you this, but at age 60, your body still has a surprising potential to gain strength, and it doesn't have to involve heavy gym equipment, complicated workouts, or painful training. Most people think once you hit 60, strength just disappears. They assume the only way to stay strong is to lift heavy weights every day, slog through long workouts, or rely on expensive supplements. But the truth is simpler and more exciting. Your muscles still respond to the right kind of stimulation even later in life. In fact, studies show that older adults can improve muscle strength and physical performance through tailored exercise in just weeks, especially when we focus on both strength and balance combined. Today, I'm going to share exactly how I improved my body strength in just 14 days at age 60, and how you can too. Before we jump in, comment below. How old are you, and what strength challenge do you struggle with most? I read every comment, and your answers help shape future videos. Now let's get into it, and be ready, because number 3 will change the way you think about strength forever. Why strength is so important after 60. Let's be real, as we age, the body goes through changes. We lose muscle mass and strength, a process scientists call sarcopenia. This affects mobility, balance, energy levels, and even independence. But research also shows something amazing. Exercise, especially resistance and combined strength plus balance training, can improve strength and function in older adults. That means real progress isn't just possible, it's scientifically proven. And the best part? You don't need hours in a gym, just smart, focused movements done consistently. So let's break down my 14-day strength plan, the moves that changed how I moved, felt, and performed daily tasks. Day 1 to 4, foundation strength. In the first few days, I focused on building a solid foundation. This means movement patterns that support everyday life, from standing up from a chair to walking comfortably. Here's what I did every morning. Chair, sit to stand, 10 reps. This trains legs and hips in the way you use them every day. Wall push-ups, 10 reps, upper body strength without shoulder strain. Standing side leg raises, 8 per side, targets hip stability, great for balance. Heel-toe walk improves coordination and balance. Day 1 to 4, move with purpose, build base strength. These were simple, low impact, and easy on the joints, perfect for 60 plus. Day 5 to 9, control and balance. After the foundation was set, I added control and balance work, because strength without stability isn't enough. Here's what I did. Slow sit to stand, 3 seconds down, 3 seconds up, single leg balance, 15 to 30 seconds per side. This helps retrain your body to stay steady during real-life movement. Side steps/lateral walks, 10 steps each way. Day 5 to 9 train balance plus control for real-life strength. This combination not only targets muscles but also improves coordination, which is key to preventing falls in everyday movement. Day 10 to 14, functional power. Finally, in the last phase, I brought in functional strength and power moves, the kind that prepare you for unpredictable movements in real life. Step back lunges to light chair, tap 8 each leg. This mimics real stepping motions and improves stability. Farmer's walk, 45 to 60 seconds. Carrying light weights or household items helps build functional core plus arm plus leg strength. Heel-toe march with arm swings, 30 seconds. This improves rhythm and posture while walking. Day 10 to 14, functional strength for real life. These moves are practical, not just gym exercises. So what happened after 2 weeks? I could stand from a chair more easily. Walking up steps felt sturdier. Balance felt more predictable. I felt stronger and more confident moving around. And this isn't just me. Research shows that older adults see measurable improvements in strength and function with targeted exercise. Consistency matters more than intensity, especially after 60. Before you start, if you have severe joint issues, recent surgery, or health conditions, talk to your healthcare provider. Focus on slow, controlled movements. Progress gently. Your body adapts. This isn't about heavy lifting or pain. It's about smart strength. Now it's your turn. Comment below. Which exercise are you going to start tomorrow? If this video helped you, like, share with someone who needs this. Subscribe for more simple senior strength tips. Remember, strength isn't lost with age. It just needs the right kind of training. You can get stronger in 14 days. I did it, and you can too.